This just may be a formula you can follow to save your dream house. Tonight, we introduce you to a woman who was freed from foreclosure because she did her homework and ultimately beat the bank. Adanya Castro is headed to her attorney's office, victorious after waging a 2-year David and Goliath type struggle to save her mom's home from foreclosure.
The mortgage got wiped out, and so I have no mortgage payment. Everything was completely satisfied.
How'd she succeed in saving the home where so many others have failed?
I took it upon myself to pull all our closings, all our public record documents, and I started comparing paper to paper.
Then she says she noticed something in the hundreds of documents she gathered.
This person's name appears in this loan, and out of 5 loans that I had, that person came out 5 times. But the signatures varied 5 times, so that made me suspicious.
She'd been working on her own, but now she knew she needed the help of an attorney experienced in fighting foreclosures.
I already had all these documents, I just didn't know what to do with them until I actually was able to meet Omar, and we put everything together and said, okay, we have a case.
A case they ultimately won before a judge.
It appeared to have been forged signatures on some of those documents. The moment that we brought that information to light and we brought it to the judge, the parties resolved the case. And in that particular case, the bank agreed to forgive her entire mortgage debt.
Attorney Arcia says the foreclosure documents indicated this was a case of robo-signing. That's where one or a few employees sign foreclosure paperwork in sort of an assembly line process. It's a practice the state attorney general and Florida's highest court came down hard on lenders and their lawyers for.
The Supreme Court now woke up and said, listen, we're not going to let you file a foreclosure unless you have a signature on there by an authorized representative of the lender who's going to be held accountable for any fraudulent information.
Adanya's case is beyond rare, almost unheard of. Here's part of the reason why she had success where so many other homeowners have lost their homes.
You have to do your legwork and find out if there's anything wrong that was done in connection with your transaction. You may have something that you can go back to the bank with and either negotiate better terms for your loan or sometimes get your mortgage wiped out altogether.
Again, Adanya Castro says 2 things were key for her. First, go through every document. And second, find an attorney who is as committed to winning as you are. Trina Robinson, NBC6.